World, you will have broken me.
Driving through the Badlands, go as fast as we can between the lines. Looking through the review.
Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. I'm over here looking like a 15-year-old boy today, but she's got a vibe. What can I say? I have exercised. I have watched my Sex in the City, a usual Saturday routine. But we're about to go to brunch because Ira needs something taken somewhere. And for those of you that don't know, he doesn't know how to drive because he's a little poor city boy. That's a real thing. So he was like, hey, I'll buy brunch if you drive this over to the east side. And I was like, okay. I'll do a lot of things for brunch, you know? This is what we look like. This shirt, literally just every time I wear it, it just makes me want to take like a naked picture of myself right now that like no one else sees. I just keep. But then when I'm like 72, like on the dot, 72, I want to put it on a shirt. If, 35 years from now we're still alive and wearing shirts, obviously. But I want to put it on a shirt just like this, but it's just me at a younger age, and I'm gonna sell them because I'm obviously gonna be famous for that. Here we are with my big old pants, just looking like this, I guess. But I was excited and wanted to share because I've talked about this, like it's literally right here. Previously, I got all these really nice perfumes from Skylar, which all smell delicious and came at an ideal time because I needed new perfume. And I just got another one. Which I'm so excited about because I don't think I received this. I got so many, like I am a lucky little hoe bag over here, but I didn't receive this fragrance. And I also didn't know, it comes with a little to go, which is perfect. I can put this in my car. We're gonna do that. Okay, we're gonna take this. I don't even know what it smells like, but I'm already sold, yeah. You're coming home with me, friend. We're just gonna put you in that little pocket. Perfect. Yeah, this is supposed to smell like bergamot, coconut, and ambro. But yes, it's all safe for sensitive skin, which, hello. Let me just, real quick. Ooh. I know there's like an easy sticker and like an easy way to solve this, but somehow just like breaking the box feels easier. Look at it. Okay. Ooh, even the top is like, oh, that's cute. I never noticed. The top is all like marbly. I don't know if you can see on this, but. Ooh, hello. Oh, should I do the. Oh, that's lovely. It's like coconut, but it's not extra coconutty. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you get stuff that smells like coconut and you're like, no, this just smells like a hotel in Florida. Like a Miami beach, like there's a scent and it's kind of like sunscreen mixed with coconut mixed with like gross. This doesn't smell like I'm very good at describing what this doesn't smell like. Excuse me, just getting into the thing. Yeah, it's like a grown-up coconut, an adult coconut, if you will. I'm excited. I'm ready for summer, dude. It has literally been 1 month of winter. And winter here is legit just like, it's gray. And sometimes it rains, but it's still 45 degrees at the worst, and I'm over it. Okay, I'm gonna put you here with my other one. We'll just go between you depending on the mood, and let's go eat, because mama is very hungry.
It's crystallized. I don't know why things just change with time.
She did it despite her memory cards trying to play her. Why is it this dark?
I don't have the answers.
It is 4 o'clock. It should not. It feels like 7.
I know. What is like, is it 23rd? The Darkest day of the year?
Wedding.
21st. 3
Oh.
days from the solstice.
That's Kaylee's birthday. She would be born on the darkest day of the year. Despite it feeling like 9 p.m., I'm gonna buck up and I am gonna clean some things in my house that I have been meaning to clean. I just got my Vlogmas edited, which is good because after yesterday I was like, if this doesn't work, I will be calling it quits. World, you will have broken me, but it didn't, so it's totally fine. We're perfectly good. Anyways, enough about that. I'm like tired of talking about it. So yes, I, as you can see, have gotten into some comfortable clothing. I think I need to start actually with making some food. Otherwise, I will get to a point where I'm just too hungry and I'm like, let's get Taco Bell, which there's nothing wrong with, except for the sheer amount that I do that. So I'm gonna get rid of all this hair, get it out of my face. We're gonna make an easy and fast lasagna because I got some garlic bread at the store earlier today because it sounded good and I was hungry. We got lasagna. It is time to begin this grand clean on a Saturday night. Because what can I say? I am just a party animal. Alright, so I in these closets, like what has happened? It was like once organized, now it's just a disaster. And I feel like there's just a better way to do this. So I'm just going to take everything out of here. We're going to clean it. We're going to wipe everything down and then just reorganize it all. And if this is the only thing we do today, it's still a big thing to get done. This isn't even everything. Oh my god. Just in case anyone was wondering, I do make this man like good job. Get that spot.
Just takes an American work ethic.
Anyways, while this is drying, I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take all this stuff off of here because the shoes I'm not dealing with, the coats I'm not dealing with, like, they're fine. That's another time. But I'm going to remove everything off of here and organize it. You don't need to worry. We're not moving. We're just cleaning.
Don't worry about that. He is worrying no matter what.
Y'all, I think I've done it. Wow. Okay, we got shoes. We got all these cleaning products. We even got extra room for more cleaning products. I got a bunch of random crap back there because I am a Costco lady who just has an insane amount of things. We have bags and things that were in my closet. Now I have more room in my closet. I decided this could be my shelf since Ira has the bigger shelf just full of shoes. We got leg cleaning, leg coats. I think that's everything for this half. We got extras again, along with more stuff up there. Paper towels, toilet paper. These are all my sponges. We got that. We got laundry detergent. And yeah, I think we've done it, friends.
Hello, Biggie. We're ready to eat.
Wow. Oh, we gotta light the Christmas tree. What a meal.
Da-da-da-damn.
Did you make this yourself?
I did. This is Ira's famous recipe.
Recipe?
It's just like Ira used to make.
I gotta wash my hands first.
Yep.
How's your food?
Very good.
I agree.
You cook an excellent salad.
You know what there is to watch? A new episode of Yellow Jackets.
What's Yellow Jackets?
I'm just saying you could get into it on the 6th episode.
Oh, is that the show where they cut everyone's legs off?
Okay, friends. We're here at this time of the day. I hope that this vlog was not as boring as I feel like it's going to be. And if it was, hopefully you enjoyed. I feel like I got a lot done. Nothing broke or exploded, so that was cool. Actually, that's not entirely true. My face is exploding a little bit. It's been a time. I know I talked about this yesterday, but I'd like to continue the conversation. So I feel like since I've been using retinol, as I mentioned, my face is not liking it acne-wise. Not even a little bit. Not like all the whole thing. All the parts. Not having it. But I feel like the skin underneath all those parts is looking better. Like, it could just fully be in my head and just pure placebo effect. I am open to that being a reality, but I'm really hoping that it is not and it's a real life thing. So what I'm getting at here is, if you have had any experience with retinol, comfort me, let me know. I don't know, obviously I know everything is different for everyone, but I'm just like, bro, this better be worth it. That's all I'm saying, you know? If it's not, I don't know what I would do, but yes, anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep because I am fatigued. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a lovely time. Go eat something that makes you happy. Maybe go watch a funny show that you like and have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.
Driving through the Badlands, go as fast as we can between the lines. Looking through the rear view, seems like everything that we